everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first video in my channel, consider subscribe and bell button so that you will never miss my any other videos. Today I am going to show you about how to get head chat in WhatsApp messages like Messenger. Let's begin the video, guys. Let's begin the video, guys. See, I'm having no apps here, only WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger. Just press on home button and go to Play Store and search for FLOWCHAT. Just search it and just click on install. It will be installing. Just 2.4 MB, guys. It will be installing. See, it's installing. Installing. Just open it. Just give this access, click OK, allow. Just press home. See, it's installed. I'm just going to come to here. I will message from another phone. Typing. See, it came. You can also reply here by just hi bro, what's up. Say, guys, it's sent. I'm going to show this in your normal WhatsApp. See, I have sent this. Just coming back and closing it. You can also use this for normal messages, Messenger, Twitter, WhatsApp. It will be also available in Pro version. If you want it, comment below and subscribe my channel and like my videos and watch my first video so that you can get a hint about this video. Thanks for watching my full video, guys.